Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of Google Mini Home. And also there is a surprise giveaway for you all. So I am giving away this to Google Mini Home in my channel. So follow the entire video and read the description for more details about giveaway. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. So guys, this is the retail box of Google Home Mini, and I have two of them, and both of them are in charcoal gray color. This one comes in three colors total. One is the chalk color, another one is charcoal gray, and another one is coral red. So basically I find this color very interesting, that is why I have ordered these two. Talking about the giveaway which I was just mentioning, so the giveaway is very simple. You have to follow us across all the social media, and once you have followed us in all the social media, you have to comment in this video like what do you like about our channel, or if you have any suggestion about our channel, and that's it, you are done. So I'll be picking two lucky winners and who will be getting this Google Home Mini. So that was all about the giveaway. Now let's talk about the product itself. So the packaging is quite good. I mean, we can expect a good packaging from Google Mini. So it's on point. I mean, all the basic info have been mentioned in the box. So guys, let's unbox this and find out like what are all the box content. So we have the Google Home Mini itself, and I must say it shapes like a donut, and it is quite light in weight, and the build quality of this one is quite great. We have this micro USB port over here. Unfortunately, they have still given the micro USB port, but at this price point we cannot expect much from Google. And then there is this reset switch. So it is not a button like it is in the Alexa, it is a switch which you need to turn on and off. So that is what is there in this one. So I'll keep it aside for now, and then we will also look like what are all the other box content. We have quite a few documentation which you can have a look at, and finally this is the power cable. So you have to attach it. So basically it will always work with the power on mode. I mean, it doesn't have any battery. You cannot use it unlike your portable Bluetooth speakers, but again there is a different usage of this one, so that's the reason they have provided the power cable with this one. So that's all for the box contents, guys. So now I will quickly tell you like how you need to set up this Google Home Mini. So guys, setting up the Google Home Mini is quite easy. I mean, you just need to install the Google Home app in your mobile phones, and if you at all face any problems, you already have the user manual. You will get it connected within few minutes, so that is quite easy. So guys, once you have set up the Home Mini, it is quite easy for you, and you get a lot of services. In fact, all the services of Google which are there. So you get that one in this handy Google Home Mini. And the good thing is, if you can see here are the two buttons. Actually it is hidden button. So this one is used to reduce the volume, and this one is used to increase the volume. So that is also a handy thing which comes in this one. And you can check the sound quality. I mean, I really appreciate this one has got the front facing speakers. Okay Google, stop. So I must say the sound quality is quite good in this one, and it looks small, but still it has got a very good bass, I must say. Let's check few of the other things like how it actually performs. So okay Google, please remind me to keep the keys in the drawer.
Got it. Keep the keys in the drawer. When do you want to be reminded?
Never mind, forget it.
No problem. Nothing's been said.
Okay, so such kind of reminders also can be set in this one. Then you can also set an alarm like, okay Google, set an alarm for 5 p.m. today.
Done. Your alarm's set for 5 p.m.
So all these basic instructions which you might have done with your Alexa or with your Google Assistant on your smartphone, that can be done in this Google Home Mini. So that is something very good. And apart from streaming music, you can also ask about, okay Google, can you tell me like what is the temperature of Nagpur today?
Today in Nagpur, expect a high of 105 and a low of 76.
So yeah, as I was saying, you get a lot of Google services with this one, so that is something very good. And quite a few services have been mentioned here, like it has the connectivity with Savan, Google Play Music. I have already connected my Ghana account with this one. You can also connect your Spotify account, then YouTube Music, Netflix, Times of India. The good thing is you can also automate your home with the Philips Hue bulbs range. I mean, you can just turn and off with this speaker, and there are a lot of other things which can be done apart from just streaming the music. And given at the price point, this one comes in India at under price of around 3,000 rupees, so that is something very good. And if you are planning to have a good speaker, so that is something very good you can plan. Okay Google, stop. So this is all about the Google Home Mini, and you can also, if you have any queries about it, or if you want that I should make a comparison between the Alexa and Google Home Mini, comment down in the comment section below. Also, don't forget that I have the giveaway running in my channel for two of this, and two of the lucky winners can win this Google Home Mini. So that's pretty much for today's video. This was a quick unboxing and a quick overview of Google Home Mini. Hope you guys like this small video. That's all. That's me, Mayank from MHC Tech Talks signing off. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in next one.